That's the logo, and later you'll realize that that's really cute. And this is supposed to go to the, okay. We are John Yu, Edmond Balili, and Dr. Narciso Tapia. The problem: lack of information on the cleanliness of places. The need, a system that is easy to gather data for the government to know which places need sanitation the most. IT solution will provide a platform for crowdsourcing cleanliness info of places on the street level and make the info accessible to the government. Of course, the last part is really important. The impact: cleaner surroundings will not only make people healthier and happier, but it will get more tourists to come into our country, which is, of course, a big deal. Okay, this is how it will look like if the user is not logged in. This is from Google. We're going to use the Google Maps API, and you see it's boring. There you go. So, what this means is, red for places that people rate is dirty, green for people, the more clean votes than dirty votes. Red, more dirty votes than clean votes. And it gets darker, a brighter red or a brighter green, when there are more votes for that particular area of the street. And when a user mouse overs, there, our logo, cute logo, appears. So vote up, vote down. Okay, this is the screen for government personal login. As we said, it's important for the government to know this. So once they log in, the problematic streets will show. These are the parts of the streets that are colored red. So streets are quite long, so the coordinates, the GPS coordinates will be shown, and the name of the street for easier location. And the links from there are to the map for them to check out exactly which part of the street is dirty and needs attention, and the comments of the people, and the graph of daily rating, because the rating resets every day, so people vote again because it may have gotten clean. Unlike other ratings, this is really time sensitive, because once it gets clean, the next day people will vote it's clean already. And next I will show the slides for the links. Okay, it will show that it's there, that needs attention for that first item in the previous slide. This, for example, comments, there will be a check boxes, and users will be able to take uncollected garbage, dead animals, among other stuff, for the government to be prepared to see what's exactly in there. And for additional comments, there's a text box, and it will appear this in the government's interface. Just scroll down for more stuff. And this is for the graph of the daily rating. So that's number of votes, and if it's -2 is the two more votes of dirty than clean. That's it. Thank you.
What?